Welcome. In this video I'll be replacing the rear windshield wiper on a 2014 Toyota RAV4. So the wiper insert I'm using is this Auto Boo. You can find this on Amazon, and I'll put a link to this in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So the first thing we need to do is remove this little piece of plastic here. So you just want to put your fingers on either side here, lift up just a little bit so I'm pulling out, and this piece will come right off. Once you do that, you can pull the wiper out like so. And now to remove this, you just tip it out and it will slide right off like so. There's a little notch right here. You can see the notch there. So this is actually my second attempt at this. The first one we ordered was too long. So this is a 10-inch. So if you're looking to order one of these, measure yours and make sure it's 10-inch or get the 12-inch. So this looks like it has a little protective cover on here. That's nice. There we go. So I don't know why the 12-inch ones come up. Originally, the windshield wiper was purchased at Walmart, and their computer or the book or something said you get the 12-inch, but it ended up being a 10-inch. So make sure you measure yours to see what you need. So to put that on, you'll see there's a little bar in the middle here. We're going to line that up with that slot, like so. Oops. Like so. You can wiggle it back and forth till it fits on there. Then you just move it like that. Okay? Next, I need to replace this cap. So you want to make sure this back part gets clipped in. Okay, so that'll hinge off that. Once you have that in place, press it down here. You're almost good to go. Next thing you want to do is clean the windshield. So I'm using this Auto Armor Auto Glass Cleaner. There we go. And yeah, I probably should have cleaned this before I put the wiper back on. But you definitely want to clean where the wiper is going to be. You don't want it to rub that grime right into your window. Granted, this is going to go right back on the road and get more grime on it. So there's no way to completely avoid it. So that's how you can replace the rear wiper on a 2014 RAV4. This also applies to other RAV4s with a similar setup. The main thing here though, make sure you measure that blade to get the right length. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.